Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel TechRem, and I'm about to show you how you can get more Twitter followers in just few minutes. So I hope you stay with me. Don't forget to like this video, drop your comments below, and also subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So first of all, move over to our browser Chrome. So we type in twitter.gliz.com, twitter.gliz.com. Go. So this is how the site looks like. I'm already signed in, so I've just signed out so you can see how you can sign into the site. So once you get into the site, this is what you see. So all you have to do is put your Instagram username, your Twitter username here, and then your password right there. So I've already done that. I'm just gonna check this box right there, then log in with Twitter. So we wait for this to load. When it's done loading, we'll be redirected to a new page. So you just have to wait. So it's done loading. Now all I have to do is click this button right there, get followers. It says here your profile successfully added for free 10 Twitter followers. You will get followers in within 1 hour. So let's go check our Twitter accounts and see. Let's wait for it to load. Okay, let me go to my notification. I'm just gonna refresh this. So guys, as you can see, I have new followers. I just got new followers. Look, let me keep on refreshing to see if I'll get more. Okay. So guys, the site worked, and I got another one just now. So if you can do this each hour for 11 hours, you get up to 100 followers in your Twitter account, and in a week you get up to 1,000 followers, and within a month, trust me, you can verify your Twitter account. So the site works. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, and drop your comments below. Got another follower just right now, and drop your comments below. This channel helps you to grow your social media life, helps you to grow on your social media. So I hope you subscribe and turn the notification bell for more video updates. Thanks. I love you all.